Remember, you can cheap out and get Schmem&Ms, but that's on you. I want to know I make the best ice cream in the world. And besides, when we were growing up, we know the taste of M&Ms. If you go buy Schmem&Ms, you're not reliving your childhood. And isn't that the purpose of all this? Relive your childhood. Okay, we've got our 4 pounds of M&Ms. Now, what we could do is what your competitors are going to do. They're going to take these M&Ms, maybe pour them in the machine, maybe pour them in on extraction. Not good enough to get M&M flavor. So what we do is we're going to take these M&Ms and put them in the Ninja. And we're going to come up with M&M powder. In addition to seeing when they're done, you can see you don't see any M&Ms in here. You can hear when they're done because of the hard shell on the M&Ms. So now what we've got is M&M powder